First off, before we start the video, I would like to say a happy 22nd birthday to Justin Zhao, or Jowevator 3219. He's an elevator enthusiast or filmer from Sacramento, California. So Justin, happy birthday. This is dedicated to you. I'm sorry that this is not a Montgomery elevator, but here's something cool and vintage though, from a local Chicagoland company. There's County Farm Road and Manchester Road. Area 124C South or North County Farm Road in Wheaton. Here's the stairs. Here's the elevator. Unlike all the other elevators in this complex, this one's probably a Colley, I believe, if I'm correct. Yep, this is a Colley. I forgot what kind of buttons these are. I'll have to look it up. Probably armor, or they're using Dover black buttons. Okay, that emergency light is sideways. Two. Vibrates a little. One. Stay quiet because there might be someone up here. Why does he have Dover black button? Adam's replacement. That's it.